Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Visa gift card step by step clearly. To activate your Visa gift card, begin by locating the activation sticker on the card. This sticker usually contains an activation phone number or a web address. If you're using the phone method, pick up your phone and dial the number provided. Once connected, listen carefully to the automated prompts. You may be asked to enter the card number found on the front of your card. Next, you might need to provide the security code, typically located on the back of the card. After entering the required information, follow the prompts to verify your identity. If you choose the online method, open your web browser and visit the activation website provided on the sticker. Enter the card number and the security code in the designated fields. Some sites may also require personal information for verification purposes. Once you've filled in the necessary details, submit the form. You should then receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is activated. In some cases, activation may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once activated, you can start using your Visa gift card for purchases. Remember to keep your card in a safe place after activation. If you encounter any issues during activation, don't hesitate to contact customer service for assistance. Now your Visa gift card is ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.